Good evening. Today's quote is actually it should be Venus. Venus don't do different things, they do things differently. It's a good quote. Venus don't do different things, they do the things differently. Today's word is altruism, the quality of unselfish concern for the welfare of others. Now, exercise 3.3, third one, sum number 8. This is an interesting sum. Prove that, just listen to me, but do write the solution after the lecture. Prove that 16 sine theta, cos 2 theta, cos 4 theta, cos 8 theta equal to sine 16 theta. Now, I have begun with LHS. What is 16? I can write it as 8 into 2. What is the advantage? See, 2 sine theta cos theta is sine 2 theta. Remaining terms as they are. Now, 8 is 4 into. Now, what is 2 sine 2 theta cos 2 theta? 2 times sine of any angle into cosine of that angle is sine of 2 times the angle. What is 2 times 2 theta? 4 theta. Simple. Now, 4 is 2 into 2. Now, what is 2 sine 4 theta cos 4 theta? It is sine 8 theta followed by cos 8 theta. Now, 2 sine 8 theta cos 8 theta is nothing but sine 16 theta. You may say, sir, can we begin with RHS? Sine 16 theta is what? 2 sine 8 theta cos 8 theta. Sine 8 theta is what? 2 sine 4 theta cos 4 theta and so on. Yes, one and the same thing. Sum number 9. Prove that sine 3x upon cos x plus cos 3x upon sin x equal to 2 cot 2x. What is LCM? Cos x sin x. What is numerator? Sine 3x sin x plus cos 3x cos x. That is cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta, which is cos of alpha minus beta. That is cos of 3x minus x, which is cos 2x. Now multiply numerator and denominator by 2. So it is 2 cos 2x upon 2 sin x cos x. What is 2 sin x cos x? Sin 2x. So the answer is 2 cot 2x, which is nothing but right hand side. Sum number 10. We begin with RHS. Cot x by 2 minus 1 upon cot x by 2 plus 1. What is cot? Cos by sin. Multiply numerator and denominator by sin x by 2 to get this. Now multiply numerator and denominator by cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. Numerator is of which type? A minus b into a plus b, which is a square minus b square. So cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. What about denominator? A plus b into a plus b square of a plus b. So cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2 plus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Now it is cos square theta minus sin square theta. Cos 2 theta 2 times x by 2 is x. So just cos x upon cos square plus sin square is 1. So 1 plus sin x, which is nothing but LHS. If you insist that no, we should start with LHS, that can also be done. This is LHS. Now 1 plus sin x can be written as this is 1, sin x is 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. What is cos x? Cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. After this one, and then this step, divided by sin to get cot, which is nothing but right hand side. Okay, so that can also be done. Right. Now 11th sum, prove that tan theta by 2 plus cot theta by 2 upon cot minus tan is sec theta. So what is cot? It is 1 upon tan. So multiply throughout by tan theta by 2. So tan square theta by 2 plus 1 upon 1 minus tan square theta by 2. Now you can say that that's it. This is LHS. Now we will simplify RHS, or I will write this as 1 upon 1 minus tan square theta by 2 upon 1 plus tan square theta by 2. I have written the same. That is very important. See, we should not write altogether different thing. but we can write the same in different form, which is allowed. Now why to write like this? See, 1 minus tan square upon 1 plus tan square is cos of 2 times that angle. So 2 times theta by 2. What is 2 times theta by 2? Theta. So this is nothing but 1 upon cos theta, which is sec theta, which is nothing but right hand side. Right up. Sum number 12. Prove that 1 upon tan 3a minus tan a minus 1 upon cot 3a minus cot a is cot 2a. I'm sure you won't even think of splitting denominator. That is absurd. Now, what is cot? 1 upon tan. See, I have omitted one step. Multiply numerator and denominator. See the cursor. By what? Tan 3a into tan a. So, 1 is replaced by tan 3a tan a. If this term is multiplied by tan 3a tan a, only tan a remains. And here, tan 3a remains. Now, will you say that LCM is product of denominators? No. Note that it is tan 3a minus tan a. It is tan a minus tan 3a. So, take minus sign common from denominator of the second. Now, minus minus plus. That is why 1 upon tan 3a minus tan a plus tan 3a tan a upon tan 3a minus tan a. This is common denominator. So, just add numerators. Again, a upon b is 1 upon b upon a. Same thing I have written in different form. Why? This is of the type tan alpha minus tan beta upon 1 plus tan alpha tan beta, which is tan of alpha minus beta. Now it is 1 upon tan 2a. It is cot 2a, which is nothing but right hand side. Sum number 13. Prove that cos 7 degree into cos 14 degree into cos 28 degree into cos 56 degree equal to sin 68 degree upon 16 cos 83 degree. See, the first step is the most important one. Multiply numerator and denominator by 2 sin 7 degree. Why? Then we get angle 14. Now sin 14 cos 15 can give sin 28 and so on. I repeat, multiply numerator and therefore denominator by 2 sin 7. Now, listen to me. What is 2 sin 7 degree cos 7 degree? 2 sin theta cos theta. Sin 2 theta. I hope you won't say 27 degree. It is 2 into 7. That is sin 14 degree. Remaining terms as they are. Now in the same step, I have again multiplied by 2 because formula demands presence of 2 times 2. Okay. So this 2 is utilized here and I have again multiplied numerator and denominator by 2. That is why in the denominator you will see 2 times 2 sin 7, which is nothing but 4 sin 7. Okay. Now in the next step, if you want to listen to me, first listen and then write the solution. See, what is 2 sin 14 cos 14 sin 28? Let me explain. Sin 28 degree into cos 28 degree into cos 56 degree. Now in the same step, I am multiplying numerator by 2 and therefore denominator. What is denominator? Original 4 sin 7 degree. I have to multiply that also by 2. So I get 8 sin 7 degree in the denominator. Now, again, same formula is used repeatedly. What is 2 sin theta cos theta? Sin 2 theta. 2 times 28 is 56. So this is sin 56. Cos 56 degree is already there. Okay. Now I multiply numerator and denominator by 2. Original denominator is 8 sin 7 degree. But I have to multiply that also by 2. So 16 sin 7 degree. Now, numerator is what? 2 sin 56 cos 56. 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. 2 times 56 is 112. So sin of 112 degree. Denominator as it is 16 sin 7 degree. Is this the required answer? No. So can I write angle 112? This is complement of which angle? 68. See, I have written the same angle and I have to, but in different form. Okay. Now what about denominator? 7 is complement of which angle? 83 degree. So 90 degree minus 83 degree. Okay. Now last step, sine of 180 minus theta is sine theta. So sine of 68 degree. And what about sine of 90 minus theta? It is nothing but cos theta. Okay. Note that this is nothing but right hand side. Right. 14th, prove that sine square minus 160 degree upon sine square 70 degree plus sine of 180 minus theta upon sine theta is sec square 20 degree. Now, what is sine of minus theta? Minus sine theta. Now, 160 degree is supplement of 20 degree. Now, you will ask me, why not to keep 160 as it is? The reason is simple. On right hand side, we need which angle? 20 degree. That is why. What is sine of 180 minus theta? Sine theta. Now, sine 70 degree. Do we need 70 degree? No, we need 20. But 70 and 20 are complementary angles. So 70 degrees, 90 minus 20. Sine of 90 minus theta is cos theta. Substitute. So this is minus sine 20 square. And what is sine 70? Cos 20. So cos 20 bracket square. Of course, 20 degree. If you just write 20, it means 20 radian. What is sine of 180 minus theta? Sine theta. See, it is all about use of standard results. So this is sine square 20 upon cos square 20 plus 1. That is 1 plus tan square 20 degree. Which is sec square 20 degree, which is right hand side. Fifteenth, prove that 2 cos 4x plus 1 upon 2 cos x plus 1 is 2 cos x minus 1 into 2 cos 2x minus 1. We begin with LHS. Now, what is cos 4x? It is cos of 2 times 2x. Cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta minus 1. But theta is 2x. Because 4x is 2 times which angle? 2x. As simple as that. Denominator as it is. Open the bracket. We get this. Now what are the factors of a square minus b square? A minus b into a plus b. So it is 2 cos 2x minus 1 into 2 cos 2x plus 1. Okay. Next step. See, we require this in the answer. So we do not touch this. Now what is cos 2x? 2 cos square x minus 1. Do not forget to put this in bracket. See, many brackets are available. This is rectangular, circular, curly bracket is also available. Now why to put this in bracket? Because each term is to be multiplied by 2. Open the bracket to get what? To get 2 cos 2x minus 1 as it is. And this is 4 cos square x minus 1. What are the factors? 2 cos x minus 1, 2 cos x plus 1. This gets cancelled. 2 cos x plus 1. What remains is this, which is nothing but right hand side. Now this is an important sum. Sum number 16. Prove that cos square x plus cos square x plus 120 degree plus cos square x minus 120 degree is 3 by 2. Here we use 1 plus cos 2 theta equal to 2 cos square theta. So what is cos square theta? Actually, I should have written that. So what is cos square theta? 1 plus cos 2 theta upon 2. So it will be cos square x, 1 plus cos 2x upon 2. What will be cos square x plus 120 degree? 1 plus cos of 2 times this angle. So 2x plus 240 degree divided by 2. What will be cos square x minus 120 degree? 1 plus cos of 2 times the angle upon 2. Now let me explain. Half plus half plus half 3 times. From remaining terms, take 1 by 2 common to get in bracket cos 2x plus cos of 2x plus 240 degree plus cos of 2x minus 240 degrees. Now, half plus half plus half is 3 by 2. This is the required answer. So, there are some students who use common sense and then they say it can be easily proved, though it is not, that this is 0. So, 3 by 2 plus 0, that is 3 by 2. At least they won't get 0 in the rather 0 mark for that. But we want full marks, and so we will prove that this part is nothing but 0. Okay, so what should be done for that? So 3 by 2 plus half cos 2x as it is. Now use cos of alpha plus beta. It is cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta. Okay, now there is one more term. Wait. Which is that? Cos of 2x minus 240 degree. So it is cos 2x cos 240 degree plus sin 2x sin 240 degree. Now here it is minus, here it is plus. So these two terms get cancelled and what remains is 3 upon 2 plus half. Let me explain. Cos 2x as it is. Now this term appears twice. Which term? Cos 2x cos 240 degree. So 2 cos 2x. Now I will not write 240 degree as it is. I will say that what is 240? It is 180 plus 60. Is it? Yes, it is. Now what is the advantage of this? So this is 3 upon 2 plus half cos 2x as it is plus 2 cos 2x. Now cos of 180 plus theta is minus cos theta. Reason 180 plus associated with x-axis. This is how we remember allied angle formulae. Now ratio remains same, true, but 180 plus lies in third quadrant in which cosine ratio is negative. So 3 by 2 plus half cos 2x as it is plus 2 cos 2x. Now what is cos of 60 degree? It is half, but sign is negative, so minus half. So in the next step, I write 3 upon 2 plus half cos 2x minus cos 2x. So 3 upon 2 plus half into 0, which is 3 upon 2, which is nothing but right hand side. Write down. Next one, prove that 2 cosec 2x plus cosec x is sec x into cot x by 2. We begin with LHS. 2 cosec 2x plus cosec x. Cosec 2x is 1 upon sin 2x. But what is sin 2x? 2 sin x cos x, which is nothing but LCM. Of course, before that, we have to cancel 2. So what is numerator? 1 plus cos x. Okay. Now, I have written this as 1 upon cos x into in bracket 1 plus cos x upon sin x. 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2. See, the formulae for sin 2 theta, cos 2 theta, especially cos 2 theta, are very important. And you have to remember that in different forms also. What is sin x? 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Now what remains is cos x by 2 upon sin x by 2. And what is 1 upon cos, by the way? Sec. Now cos upon sin is cot. So it is sec x into cot x by 2, which is nothing but right hand side. Actually, in the next sum, there is some change. The sum given in the textbook is not correct. It should be like this. Make the correction. Prove that 4 cos x into cos of x plus pi by 3 into cos of x minus pi by 3 equal to cos 3x. I repeat, prove that 4 cos x into cos of x plus pi by 3 into cos of x minus pi by 3 equal to cos 3x. Okay, good. Now, cos of alpha plus beta, cos of alpha minus beta. A, when I say A, by that I mean first term. Don't look for A. A plus B into A minus B. A square minus B square. What is cos 60 degree? Half. So what is cos square? 1 by 4. What is sin 60 degree? Root 3 by 2. What is sin square? 3 by 4. LCM is 4. Now use common sense. We need cos 3x, which is entirely in terms of cos. And that is why this sin square x is to be written as 1 minus cos square. 4 gets cancelled. So cos x into cos square minus 3 plus 3 cos square. That is cos x into 4 cos square x minus 3, which is nothing but 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x, which is cos 3x, which is nothing but right hand side. So that's it for today.